Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Settings dialog. This is where themes live. Once the IDE is ready, go to File Settings or press Ctrl plus Alt plus S on Windows/Linux or on Mac OS. Make sure you've saved open files because switching major UI themes can briefly reload the interface. You're doing this now to access both Appearance and Plugin Managed themes, so look for Appearance and Behavior and Plugins in the sidebar. Once there, you'll be ready to pick built-ins or install new theme plugins. Next, you choose or install the theme. In Appearance and Behavior Appearance, pick the theme drop-down to switch between built-in options like IntelliJ IDEA or Darkula. Do this to see immediate contrast and font/color changes. If you prefer more options, open Plugins, search the marketplace for a theme, and click Install. Once installed, return to Appearance and select the new theme. Apply the change. Sometimes a restart is required for fonts, icons, or toolbar colors to fully update. Do that when prompted. Finally, refine and verify the change. You'll often want to adjust the editor color scheme under Editor Color Scheme because theme and editor scheme are independent. Make sure to check key maps and plugin compatibility. If panels misalign, use Settings Appearance to reset to defaults. If the IDE becomes slow or freezes after installing a theme plugin, disable that plugin and restart IntelliJ. This quick rollback usually fixes rendering or performance issues. If problems persist, revert to the previous IDE build or update graphics drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.